and medicinal product. Technologies will play the pivot role. If technologies won't be there in the cannabis industry, nothing will move ahead at a speed where we want to take it there. So technologies have to be there, making medicines more bioavailable, checking their efficacies, more efficient extraction methods to lower down the cost, innovations, what all we can do with this plant will definitely give an edge to the cannabis industry. And then goes the traditional fiber products, nutritional product, medicinal products, and so on. Now, hemp application is rising and is seeing various uses in personal care, animal care, automotive industries, like Europe is all about fiber, China is all about fiber, India is primarily dominating also in fibers. And later it comes for us, the medicine part also. So we were granted the first license, and I don't know why I placed this slide here, so my mistake, sorry. So yeah, this was the license, which is an historic one because it's written 01. So yeah. And yeah, so this is the first registered variety we've registered, IIHA-C1. We named it on our association, Indian Industrial Hemp Association. C1 means the area code, and it's not clear, but the THC limit came out to be around 0.28. Once it came 0.4 also, but we did some mistake, and then we did it again, and then we found out it's near about 0.8, these varieties. So with a recent legal approval and restricted commercial cultivation, when we say restricted commercial cultivation in hemp, we are not allowed to use flowers right now, but we are working on getting the policy passed that we will be allowed for the flowers. We don't want it to be greedy and asking the government to give us everything at one go. So we took the license. Now, once the flowers will be there, we'll put it in front of the government door and we'll ask them what we should do about these tons of flowers we have got. So we are playing very smart with the government. And when we talk about this, this whole new thing which is coming up with the legal approvals, what is there in India for us? India has a market of 1 billion people. We grow our own rice, but we still import it. We grow our own lentils, but we still import it. So we have our own domestic market as well as have a demand for international product lines. So moving forward, importance of cannabinoid extraction, which is my main topic of how techno-commercials will play the pivot role. Everybody is in this arena is knowing about how important the extractions is. Over the time period, everybody is finding out new solutions to extract cannabis, how they can get the most efficient way to extract cannabis. We did our own way, which might not be the new, but it is working efficiently, and how, which I will like to explain it to you guys. So our plants which we designed are all CGMP plants. These plants are capable of doing the whole process, and the whole system is CGMP. We can construct US FDA, also GMP plants. And these are zero bacteria walls, everything which is the regulation requires for CGMP, we make these plants. This is an organogram of how to take it to the final level. So if you see this side is an extractor, which we take it further to the whip film evaporator systems, and then the solvent recovery and ANFT systems. But what is the best part about this system is, we can do solvent or we can do water. Now, when we do with water, there is a lot of regulations. We take a standmark of Europe, like a lot of regulations don't allow solvent, and if it's a solvent-free extractions, a lot of products comes under the food category. So these systems can be optimized as per the demand of any customers we will get. And these systems can be stopped wherever we want to. It can be full PLC, fully automated plants, where the whole system, you just put the plant material and the final product comes out. We also included nanotizing hydrodynamic systems where we can convert the isolates into nanoparticles, which can be water soluble. You might see a smaller one. I just saw one ultrasound system over there, but we can make 65 liters big scale ultrasound system, which can give an output of around 25 liters of output. It depends on what we do. So this is just an hologram. It's not clear right now. I don't know why, but yeah, so this is like how we put the plant material and how it goes to the process of thin film evaporators and goes on. So what is the unique point? This is very common. Other people are also doing it. So when I just go back, just this part, thin film evaporators, usually 1 liter cost around 2-stage 4 million euros. The whole plant costs around 6 million euros. And the capacity of this plant is 3 tons. It can process 3 tons a day. We can optimize it, lower, higher, the way you want it. You can make it, optimize it like you want to just an oil, you want a 90% oil or an 80 or 60, or you want to take it all the way to the more purer forms. This is the basic diagram. If somebody wants to take a click, you can do that. Solvent recovery is 99% accuracy. Also, the extraction of the crude oil is 90% accurate.